This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a couple minutes before the close of trading for April 21st, 2020. Let's take a look here at one sector of the market, XLI, which is the industrial sector chart here. And this is a chart I saved from last Friday, today being Tuesday. I thought I was going to record a video about this chart on Friday, but I never got a chance. But we can see that on the 4-hourly XLI, this is what it looked like on Friday when the markets were moving higher. I believe the Dow closed higher by 700 points. But there was a line here that was a problem. I was going to record a video trying to discuss that if I was looking to play this market, I would have to consider that line as a potential resistance or breakout area. And there's also another line, which is this line here. And again, we can see the red line really does come and confirm the blue line in terms of potential short-term resistance or breakout as of Friday. So the scenario here was very simple. Resistance here on the 4-hourly would mean the next meaningful direction was lower, or the market had an opportunity to clear those two lines and move to the upside. That was the other potential scenario. Now fast forward to yesterday. I happened to have saved this chart. Again, I was in the process of potentially recording a video, but it never happened. We can see as of yesterday the market or the sector XLI did start responding to this area here, again confirming those two lines of resistance. And we can see as of today, and let me go ahead and update this chart. We can see here as of today we are seeing another 2-3% drop. Again, the two lines that we had drawn previously are definitely, from my point of view, one of the reasons why we are seeing this pullback in the sector, in this single chart, and also potentially for the general market. Now that is besides the point. The point is, this is the 4-hourly chart. Interestingly enough, to see how things do mesh up and synchronize, take a look at the daily for the same instrument. Again, we can see a line here similar to the one we saw on the 4-hourly. That was potentially going to be a problem. And there's also a backtest line if we draw it as such. So this is very similar to what we saw on the 4-hourly chart. I guess the moral of the story here is, by understanding how things are setting up on multiple time frames, it comes just a little bit easier to identify potential inflection points. So again here, as of late Friday, was either going to get a breakout above those two lines, or we're going to get confirmation of resistance, which is exactly what we have now. And now we are seeing things are starting to point down. Generally speaking, as long as markets are below these two lines, things are going to be sideways or much lower. In other words, the bulls need to figure out a way to clear these two lines so the market can have an opportunity of advancing the prices beyond last week's weekly highs. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. And so it is. Namaste.